Hey guys, can you solve this word problem from yesterday?
So one way we can solve this is using algebra. However, I think a diagram is actually a lot simpler in this case. And so I've started one here. I'm going to explain this more in just a minute. First off, let's begin with by looking at the fractions. So we have 2/5 and 1/2. It'll be a lot easier to show these and draw them on our diagram if we have a common denominator. And so the least common multiple between 5 and 2 is 10. So let's go ahead and convert 2/5 into a fraction over 10. 5 times 2 is 10, 2 times 2 is 4. So 2/5 is equal to 4/10. Let's go ahead and do the same thing with 1/2. 2 times 5 is 10, and 1 times 5 is 5. So 1/2 is equal to 5/10. So here I have a bar split up into tenths, right? We have 10 units, and this represents the total pages that were in the book. And I have a nice bold line at the 1/2 or 5/10 mark. So if she read 2/5 of the book on Monday, which is equal to 4/10, let's go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4 units. And so we're going to mark off 4 units to show that this is what she read on Monday. Now, on Tuesday, she read 12 pages. Well, we don't know what fraction of the total book this was. However, we do know after Tuesday, she still had half of the book left to read. So because she had all of this left to read after Tuesday, this one bar represents how much she read on Tuesday. And if she read 12 pages on Tuesday, right, we now know each unit is equal to 12. And since there's a total of 10 units, all we have to do is do 12 times 10 to get 120 pages for our final answer.